I'm going to be talking about something that affects me personally, hypomagnesemia. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant extracellular cation and the second most abundant intracellular cation found in the body. Magnesium is also involved in a wide range of functions in the human body. 50% of magnesium is located within the bones, the rest in soft tissues. Only 1% of magnesium is found within the blood. Magnesium plays a part in more than 300 reactions within the body. Magnesium is necessary for helping digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Also serves as building blocks for RNA and DNA synthesis, and acts as a precursor for neurotransmitters. Magnesium also helps maintain a healthy balance of important minerals such as calcium, sodium, and potassium that affects the conduction of nerve impulses, muscle contractions, and heart rhythms. Magnesium creates energy in your body by activating ATP to carry out functions like muscle fiber contractions, protein synthesis, cell reproduction, transport of substances across the cell membranes like calcium and potassium. Magnesium is extremely important for your body to function properly. When your body does not get enough magnesium, it can have a profound impact on your body. Early signs of low magnesium include loss of appetite, nausea, fatigue, and weakness. If untreated, the symptoms worsen into numbness, tingling, muscle contractions and cramps, and abnormal heart rhythms. Severely low magnesium levels can result in low levels of calcium and potassium because the mineral homeostasis is disturbed. Sometimes you may not have any symptoms unless your blood test results show that your magnesium levels are extremely low. Hypomagnesemia is an electrolyte imbalance. Magnesium is an electrolyte in your body, and normal levels of magnesium are important for the maintenance of heart and nervous system functions. Ideal levels of minerals inside and outside the cells are not equal because minerals serve various purposes inside the body and the cells. To keep cells healthy, the distribution of minerals must be maintained. Low levels of potassium and calcium and high levels of magnesium and sodium occupy the outside of the cell. Low levels of magnesium and sodium and high levels of potassium and calcium occupy the inside of the cell. To maintain certain levels of ions inside and outside the cell, cells must actively move ions in and out the cell using special exchange pumps. These exchange pumps helps regulates the electrical action potential inside and outside the cell. Without these exchange pumps, cells would be flooded with calcium and sodium flowing in and magnesium and potassium flowing out. One exchange pump, known as sodium-potassium pump, pumps sodium out of the cell in exchange for potassium, which is activated by magnesium inside the cell. Magnesium deficiency impairs the sodium and potassium pump, allowing potassium to escape from the cell, which can lead to low levels of potassium. Magnesium's role in calcium regulation is crucial in maintaining heart health. Magnesium is a modulator of calcium, competing with calcium for entrance into the cell and keeping many cellular processes balanced. Consuming too much calcium and not enough magnesium, your muscles will go into spasm, and this can have major consequences for your heart. Magnesium is probably the most important nutrient for the human heart. It helps the heart muscle itself function better because it is involved in transporting other electrolytes such as calcium and potassium into the cell. These things are important for nerve signals and muscle contractions for a normal heartbeat. Low levels of magnesium in the blood can result in an abnormal heartbeat. Magnesium plays many important roles in how our body functions, but most people do not consume enough of it. Having low magnesium levels can potentially be life-threatening if untreated.